Okay, we are here at day 4. Let's talk about the memory, the RAM. I've got XPG Lancer Blade DDR5, the part that helps your PC think fast. I'm using this beauty, Lancer Blade DDR5 32 GB, 5600 MHz, megahertz. Now, what does a RAM do? RAM is like a short-term memory, for your PC. The more you have, the more your PC can handle, like gaming, editing, Chrome, tabs all at once without slowing down. But why this one? Again, I went with DDR5 and it's the latest, firstly, and faster than DDR4. This one runs at 5600 megahertz, has a low profile heatsink, and 32 GB is more than enough for most of the things I do. It also depends on your need, what level of tasks you are doing. So for me, I think it's enough, even heavy stuff, so it will cover all of it. Costed me about 8,000, a little more than DDR4, but definitely future ready. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see how it looks. This is how it looks, and that's it for today's video. See you in the next video and stay tuned. Cheers.